How to download and install Audacity on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Next channel. If you're into audio editing or thinking about starting, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of downloading and installing Audacity on Windows 11. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Audacity is a fantastic free tool for audio editing. Let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 system. In the search bar, type Audacity and hit enter. Look for the official Audacity website in the search results. On the Audacity homepage, find the prominent Download Audacity button. On the download page, you'll see options for different operating systems. Make sure to select the version for Windows. You may also choose between the 32-bit and 64-bit versions, depending on your system. Click on the download link for the Windows version, and the Audacity installer will start downloading. Once it's complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to run it. This will open the Audacity Setup Wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Audacity Setup Wizard. Click Install to start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. You can choose to launch Audacity immediately or finish the installation and open it later. If you didn't choose to launch Audacity during installation, open it from your desktop or Start menu. Familiarize yourself with the interface and start exploring the vast array of audio editing features Audacity has to offer. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to download and install Audacity on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy audio editing with Audacity on Windows 11.